Hi guys, and now we're back with science. So today in science we'll continue the exercise we started on Wednesday, which is on the topic changing materials. On Wednesday we saw the different ways materials changes and what causes the change, like for example heat and cold. Okay, and we saw the we did an exercise where you have to match to the next image to show how the material looks after changing. Now today we're going to continue with an exercise also which is also talking about changing materials and how materials look like or how they look like, how they feel after the change. All right, so for that we're going to turn to page 307 in our workbook in the green pages, page 307, and you write the date. Today is Friday, January 22, 2021. Friday, January 22, 2021. And then let's get to work. It says, read what Dr. Stein says. Help him check the correct letters and fill in the blanks. So in the space here you have, first of all, let's read what Dr. Stein says. He says, look at the change in each material. So we're going to be looking at the changes in each of these materials. Tell whether the second one feels, smells, tastes, or looks different from the first one. Then describe the new properties of each material. So Dr. Stein says we should take a look at the change in each material, just like you have in project number 1. You have a stamp, okay? You have a stamp and then you have drops of water and then you have a second stamp. So he's telling us to compare the two stamps. What do you think? When you have a stamp and it gets wet, will it still have the same properties as the dry stamp? So I would like you to carry out this experiment using maybe a piece of paper. Get a dry paper, get another dry paper. On the second paper, try to drop some water on the paper. Okay, and then you look at the two pieces of paper, the dry one and the wet one. Okay, and then from your observation you'll be able to answer this project number 1. What differences do you notice in each in the two papers? How does it feel? How does it smell? How does it taste? How does it look? So just do the experiments using the dry paper and the wet paper, and then you circle the appropriate words from your observation. Okay, if when you touch the dry paper and the wet paper it feels different, you just circle the word feels. Okay, it feels different. If it smells different, you circle the word smells. If it tastes different, just like that. Okay, and the same way we did here you do for project number 2 and project number 3. So for project number 2, if you have someone that can help you melt a cheese in a pan, you get a cheese, okay? You drop one cheese in a pan. You don't apply any heat, and you get another cheese in another pan and you apply heat. And then you observe the two pans, okay? One is with the normal cheese and the second one you applied heat to it. And then you can be able to look at the properties listed here and circle the ones which you observed happened between the two pans. Okay, and also for the last one, I think the last one is it's kind of bakery. I don't know who's going to help you bake, but I just want you to take up okay, you don't need to just bake. You can get some flour, okay, used in baking, put it in one plate and you get a biscuit and put it in another plate, and then you also compare the two plates, observe the changes that happened in the materials. All right, so that's it for today. And then also you can use these words here in this box to fill in the new properties of the changes in the new materials. And when you're done with that, take a picture of your work and send it to me. If you still don't understand, if you need more explanation, do let me know and I will do that for you. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a wonderful weekend and see you on Monday. Ciao.